Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're all about natural hair care, DIYs and growth tips, you're in the right place. Today I'll be showing you how to make a powerful hairspray with hibiscus, cloves and rosemary to boost your hair growth and strengthen your strands. Let's get into it. Hibiscus is packed with amino acids and vitamin C, which strengthen hair follicles and promote healthy growth. Its natural conditioning properties prevent dryness, reduce frizz, and add shine, making hair softer and more manageable. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound that improves blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging faster hair growth. Their antibacterial and antifungal properties combat dandruff, reduce itchiness, and prevent scalp infections. Rosemary is known for its ability to boost hair growth, reduce shedding, and prevent hair thinning by stimulating blood flow to the scalp. It strengthens hair from the roots, making strands thicker and fuller over time. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help soothe the scalp, reduce dandruff, and improve overall scalp health. Cloves also strengthen hair strands and may slow down premature graying, keeping hair healthy and vibrant.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.